Welcome. Today in front of me OnePlus Nord 2T, and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches in screen recording. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that scroll down to the system section. Here click to the screen recording and scroll a little bit down. Here we can see show screen touches switcher. Just to turn it on, you should click here on the switcher once, and to turn it off, click on the switcher once again. And also we have the second way how we can just open the screen recording settings. Just open the notification panel, and here on the top bar find screen recording icon. Hold for a while this icon, and after that scroll down here to the screen touches switcher, and just to turn it on or turn off, click on the switcher. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.